Manpai Offshore Industries is specialized in mooring systems and in towing systems for safe mooring and for safe towing, and we supply these systems all over the world.
Oil and gas tankers have become very large, especially over the last 20 years. Therefore, the mooring hooks need to hold the lines for handling larger forces. Working with heavy lines makes it mandatory to apply more stringent health and safety requirements.
This means that the industry had to develop a number of tools to ensure safe berthing of the tankers to the jetties, to the harbors, as well as to ensure safety of the jetty crew and linesmen.
One of the previous Manpai innovations is the quick release hook, enabling quick connecting of mooring lines to the hook by using electrically driven capstans for hauling in the mooring lines, and also manually quick disconnecting of the hooks for safer and lighter operations by the boatman.
The unique feature about the quick release hook is that it can be released under full tension, so in case of an emergency you pull a release lever, or remotely you push a push button and the mechanism of the quick release hook is triggered, which means that the hook is released and the mooring or towing line drops from the hook.
Manpai also developed a load monitoring system which shows the load applied on each hook. These loads are monitored in the control room. In this way, changed loads could lead to actions of the operator to change the mooring pattern of the mooring lines, or at least storage of historical data of all moorings. Another development for improving the safety of jetty approach and mooring is that of the laser docking system. Hereby, the lasers measure the distances and approach speeds of the ship during docking. The distance and speed of approach shall be monitored on a computer and large display on the jetty, enabling safer docking and avoiding collisions with the jetty fenders, which are costly to replace.
This shows the distance and the speed of approach of the ship to the jetty, when the ship is approaching the jetty. And this speed of approach, as well as the distance, can also be monitored on a large digital display, what we call the LED display. The pilot or the captain on the ship should see the speed of approach and the distance relative to the jetty, so that the speed of approach is not exceeding certain limits. Otherwise, the ship could also damage the fenders which are mounted on the jetty, or even worse, could even affect the steel or the concrete construction of the jetty.
Together with the environmental sensor system, which provides the data of wave, tide, current and local weather conditions, the Manpai iMoor system provides vital information for safe and effective docking and mooring of the ships into the terminal.